Hello there, welcome to Inquiring Minds. My name is Doug, and this is a very short Pencil Resurrection Wednesday. Not that I'm going to make this a series at all, but I did want to show you how I restored this 1940s Sheaffer Balance 300 pencil that I picked up at an antique shop while Wynn and I were traveling to Ontario last month. We went into a huge barn of an antique store that had hundreds and hundreds of square feet of stuff. Not one fountain pen. But I did find this vintage celluloid Sheaffer pencil, and it was in rough shape, as you can see here. There were huge pits and scratches in the celluloid, and the top part of the pencil didn't meet the bottom part. But I worked on it for a while, lubricating the various pieces that were stuck with decades of grime. I used a bit of this marvelous stuff from Pensbury Manor. It's called Penetrate Pen Potion No. 7. Wonderful name. And it really works to get the stuck parts apart. These old pencils didn't have mechanisms in them that you see in mechanical pencils today. When you turn the barrel, it extends the pencil lead, okay? But it won't retract it the other direction because there's no clutch. You turn the pencil the other way and push on the lead to retract it. And you feed the 0.8 millimeter leads in from the front, not through the back. Although under the cap, you'll find an old dead eraser, which you pull off, and you can store your leads inside. I had to aggressively sand down the celluloid barrel and cap to get all the pitting and deep scratches out of it, but it polished up beautifully. There are scratch marks where someone tried to get that nose cone off of there, and that Pen Potion No. 7 really worked wonders right there. Otherwise, the pencil is in excellent shape now. This pearlescent, longitudinally stacked celluloid was called Shadow Wave by Parker. I'm not sure what Sheaffer called it, but it has an imprint on the back that says Sheaffer's, made in the USA, patented in the USA, 300. This was probably part of a Sheaffer Balance 300 fountain pen and pencil set originally. And the clip is the flattened ball type with Sheaffer's stamped into it. I wonder if there's a fountain pen mate for this out there somewhere. And that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching.
I made this.